In this video, we explain how to assemble the latest version of the Bikeflights Bike Box Large. It takes about 5 minutes to complete. Scan the QR code for helpful videos on the assembly and packing process. Gently unhook the outer sleeve tabs and remove the sleeve. Don't throw it away. This becomes a wheel sleeve and separates your frame from your wheels when packing your bike. Fold the wheel sleeve along the scored lines. Then fold the end pieces together, securing them in place by pushing the tabs through the holes. Remove the top tray, which is the part that fits over the bottom tray, and set it aside. Remove all contents from the bottom tray and set them aside. Grab the end panels and slide your fingers down the slots on both sides of each end panel to widen them. Place the end panel with the interior cardboard flaps into the box first. Fold the interior flaps inward, then fold the tabs into the holes. Repeat this process on the bottom side. Grab a side panel and fold the outermost edges of each side, top and bottom, away from the printed side. These folded edges will go into the slots of the end panels. Once the folded edges of the side panel are inserted into the end panel, gently work the side panel down into the bottom tray. Be sure the side panel fits inside the bottom tray as it is sliding downward. Grab the second end panel and repeat the same process. Install 2 double-action twist clips. Each twist clip will connect through the recessed bottom tray, side panel, and end panel to hold them all together. If you have a bike that you'd like to load from the side, do it at this point. If you plan on loading your bike from the top, continue building the box. Take the second side panel and repeat the process of inserting the folded ends into each of the end panels. Insert 2 more clips on the bottom tray to secure the side panel in place. The twist clips should insert and twist easily. If you are experiencing difficulty, compress all 3 layers between your thumb and forefingers. Then try securing the twist clip again. Repeat this process until the twist clip locks into place smoothly. To assemble the fork blocks, take one of the small flat pieces of cardboard and fold it into a block-like configuration. Knock out the circles and insert our patented dropout spacer through these holes. At this point, you can now pack and load your bike. Once your bike is packed in the box, slip all the flaps inward. Place the top tray on the box and fasten it in place using the remaining 4 twist clips. Be sure to remove the perforated hand-hold covers so the delivery service can firmly and confidently move your package. Check out our other videos for more info about how to pack your bike into any of the 4 sizes of the Bikeflights bike boxes. Ship with confidence at bikeflights.com. We ship, you ride.